exciting to hear that Santa loves cookies. So we thought we'd share a couple of our own cookie decorating traditions here at Citrus Libraries. So you're probably wondering, why is this woman wearing a cookie around her neck? Well, this is something that we do in my family. This is a German tradition, and these are called Lebkuchen. These are special gingerbread with lots of spices, and we bake these up and we decorate them. And in Germany, you will actually see people wearing these cookies, and they wear them around their neck, and they pretty much just reach up and take a bite when they want to. Kind of silly, but kind of fun. So I'm going to show you a little bit of some cookie decorating tips today. This is a royal icing, and this you actually just squeeze out onto your cookie, kind of like what I did here. And I did make these cookies homemade, and this is just going to show you a little bit how you just squeeze out your royal icing, and you can do all different kinds of decorating. And the great thing about cookie decorating is that everything is right. It's all about having fun and making fun family traditions together. That's the fun about cookie decorating. So you can practice, and you can make all kinds of swirls and do all kinds of things. And so that is how you do a little bit of royal icing cookie decorating. And you can write names on there. Here I wrote Ich liebe dich, which means I love you. We have another one over here. It says we love books. Another tradition is people wish you a Happy New Year. So we have Alles Gute in 2021. And of course we had to have a Citrus Library one. We had to have that one. You can also decorate store-bought cookies. So these are some little gingerbread cookies that we bought. And if you can see, we put a little royal icing on, we put a couple little M&Ms and a couple little eyes on there. But the beauty about cookie decorating is just to have fun. So you can just go ahead, you can even spread your icing on there. And kids can do this, you can do this together as an activity and enjoy those cookies. By the way, did you know that cookies were invented by accident? Yeah, actually it was a Dutch baker that was trying to test out his cake dough, and he went ahead and put a little piece of the cake dough in the oven, and it turned into a cookie, and that is how cookies were invented. And the word cookie actually comes from the Dutch word small cake. So it's pretty neat. So glad that accident happened, aren't you? So there you go. There's just a little, put as many sprinkles on there as you like. And the other thing is that there's all kinds of different ways that you can make cookies. These here were rolled out cookies. We rolled them out, we rolled the dough out, and we used a cookie cutter. And the Dutch and the German settlers are the ones that brought the cookie cutters to the United States. So if you see, and by the way, the Christmas tree was the first cookie cutter that made it to the United States. But there's all kinds of fun cookie cutters that you can use nowadays. Here's a gingerbread man. Here's a Santa. If you notice, this was the heart that I used to make these cookies yesterday. And yeah, so you can have all kinds of fun with your cookie decorating. This is something called, called a Springerle. I'm going to give you the German word, Springerle mold. And these are actually hand-carved cookie molds. And so you roll your dough out, and then you take one of these cookie molds and you kind of lay it down, and you make the imprint in your dough, and then you cut it out and you make squares and you bake it. Now there are whole bakeries in Germany that only make Springerle cookies, if you can believe that. I've actually been to some of those bakeries, so it's pretty cool. The most important thing is to have fun with your cookie making, make a family tradition and memories to last forever, and happy baking, happy decorating.